Hey guys, we're back in the garage. As you can see, I got it in paint mode here. Got a lot done off camera. Went ahead and sanded all the interior. That's what we're going to be painting today. Kind of nervous about it. Never used a real paint gun before other than just practicing. What I got to do is I got to do one more wipe down on this stuff, and then we'll just get painting. I got a couple cameras set up so we can probably catch some time lapses. Out of the 4 cameras I got, only one was actually charged, so I'm using a spare cell phone right here for that one. And I'll try to get you flipped around here and there to kind of check stuff out. But yeah, let's nervously get this done. Alright guys, first coat. It's not bad. I haven't got no runs in it yet. I have missed a couple spots, but I'm gonna put a couple layers on here, so I don't think it'll be too bad. The one thing is I gotta quit getting in a hurry. I seem to be wanting to rush it, and that's no bueno. But yeah, it's looking pretty good so far. I'm gonna let it tack off for a little bit longer, and then hit it with its second coat. But yeah, it's working out pretty good. This turned out real good here. But I'm gonna let it tack down and then hit it with its second coat, and hopefully try to catch some of the spots I missed. And I need to slow down. All right, here it is, guys. Next day after work, about 24 hours from when I painted it. It turned out excellent. Now it's got spots in it. I'm not gonna lie to you. There's places in it that I could have done better. But for the first time paint job, it looks great. Like, I'll even point out some of the spots. Like, you can see a little bit of fish eyeing right there. But yeah, it turned out real good. Let me take you around here and show you. But dash turned out real good. It's got dirt in it, but it was expected because I painted it in that old dirty garage. But yeah, it's turned out real good. It's a little dry right there, but nothing I'm worried about. But yeah, the pockets turned out real good. That pocket turned out excellent. That pocket turned out okay. There is an issue with that pocket where I got the air hose kind of in it, and it's got a little bit of a ripple in it, but you can't see it because this color kind of hides everything. So the back parcel tray turned out real good, with the exception of a few little dirt smudges and stuff. But like I said, I'm not worried about it. This stuff gets hidden anyway. But yeah, up there on the rails all got real good. It got real nice paint job on it. For a first time ever doing a paint job, I'm real pleased with it. I didn't get no runs in it. No nothing. And I was laying it on pretty heavy. I learned some things. Like, for one, I need to slow down a little bit. I know the paint's got a 4-hour pot life on it, but I need to slow down just a tickle. And then the second thing is I need to mix more paint than what I anticipated on, because you get out here and you start doing it, and then all of a sudden you're out of paint, and you need to stop halfway through and mix paint. So when I do the outside, I'm gonna mix like at least an extra thing of paint to have with me. But yeah, turned out good. But there it is, man. It's awesome. I'm happy with it.